Hello, Mr. Collins. Paul Ashley. I'm going to be your therapist today. We're going to go over some exercises. So I'm going to demonstrate, and I'm going to have you demonstrate. So the first exercise we're going to do, work our chest. So let's go ahead and stand up. You go ahead and stand up. What you're going to do is you're going to lay back on a bench like this. We have one at the gym. You're going to keep your elbows tight, and you're going to come up and rotate your palm, just like that. Okay? Okay. Yep. Yep. That's good. So another exercise you can do. You can do a push-up. Just like that. Okay. If that's too hard, you can go on your knees. Do a half push-up. Yep. Good. Slow and controlled. You don't want any fast jerk motions. Okay. Now for the next, we're gonna do your arms.
Okay.
Do like a straddle position. Have your arms start here, lean forward, and you're gonna come up like that. Okay. Yep, keeping that back straight. Have the weight come down to your, yep, right there. Keeping your elbows, yep. Good.
Okay.
Alright, and then if you want to change up positions, either sitting on a ball, if you want to, we can sit on a ball just to stabilize, and you can do an isolated. Alright, so having your elbow rested on your thigh, put this hand right there, stabilize, do what's called an isolated arm curl. Okay. Okay? Your triceps, you want your tricep muscle, which is the muscle back here, we can do on a ball to actually improve your core stability while doing the exercise. You come here and then kick out.
Okay.
Like that. Okay? Yep. There you go. If the ball is too big, yeah, you may. There you go. Just let it on the side. Okay?
Yep.
Good. Okay? Now we're going to work your scapular muscles. Alright, so to do that, we're going to lay on this ball. You're going to take your arms, good posture, and you're going to act like you're flying.
Okay.
Like a bird. I'm going to go nice and slow. Yep. So if that's easy, you can add about 5-pound weights, or you're going to add 5-pound weights, okay?
Okay.
Because these muscles are small, you don't really need much to work them. So 5 pounds is a good increment to go up for that exercise. Okay? And so another way to work the muscles between the shoulder blade, called your rhomboids, is you can stand up, hold the weight out here, and then bring it back.
Okay.
So gravity's going to want to pull you down, so you're going to have to keep your arms straight. Yep. And when you do this, don't let your head come forward. So right there.
Okay.
You don't have to go all the way back. Yep. There you go. Good. That's
okay.
How was that?
Good.
Any questions so far?
No.
All right. Do you understand so far what we've gone through?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we did biceps, triceps, pec, shoulder, and so now we're going to go to lower extremity.
Okay.
All right. So for the lower extremity, you can do a squat. All right. When you squat, you're just going to come down. All right. It's going to work your quads and also your glutes too. So come up. Step away from them. Yeah.
Okay.
Try to keep your heels on the ground.
Okay.
And don't let your knees come in front of your toes.
Okay.
So you're going to, there you go. Perfect. Keeping that chest up. So you want to look up at the ceiling. Yep. Good.
Okay.
All right. To make that, to isolate one leg, you can put one foot back and just do like a split squat lunge, just like that.
Okay.
Or if that's easy, you can go to put your foot up, and that way it tests more of your stabilization.
Okay.
So, before you bring that foot up, yeah, there you go. Yep. And when you do these, you always want to have your knee behind your toe. There you go. Good.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And so to make this harder, you can either wear a weighted vest, or you can hold weights in your hands.
Okay.
To make that more challenging, if indeed you're able to do that without fatigue. Okay, so the next exercise, you're going to work the back of your legs. You can grab this ball, put the ball right here, go down, put your feet up on the ball, bridge up, and then you want to bring the ball back to the back of your thighs.
Okay.
Okay? By bridging up, you're working your core as well. Actually, we can go ahead and put one leg on. Right there. And then bridge up with one leg. Hold this leg up to your chest. And now bring that ball back with one leg. Yep.
Okay.
So now we're isolating one leg, making it harder.
Okay.
If you can't do it that way, then both feet up.
Okay.
And you do it like that. Okay? So we did, the hamstring's a 2-joint muscle. So it flexes the knee, but it also can extend the hip. So one way to work the hamstring, you can lay on the ground like this, and then do hip extension like this.
Okay.
Okay? Do you want to keep that leg straight? Yep. Keep that leg straight? Yep.
Okay.
Feel that?
Yep.
Don't let your knee bend. Keep the quad tight. Yep. Good. You can get weight cuffs put on your ankle. That way you can increase the resistance.
Okay.
All right, so for we're going to work some hip muscles, specifically the TFL. You can get a band and put it around the toe like this. With the band, make sure, like the tighter you get, the harder it's going to be. So you want to find that good resistance that will challenge you, but you're able to do all the reps. Okay? And you're just going to, if you need something to grab onto, make sure you keep stabilized. I don't want you doing this. Just keep bringing that leg out. Okay? You don't have to put both feet. Just the outside one. There you go. So come out so like the band stretched a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Just like that. Keeping that leg straight. Good.
All right.
And then another position you can do that in, the sideline. Okay. Keeping that leg straight. Yep. And if that's getting easy, then you can go more in this and then bring it out.
Okay.
So now you're doing multiple exercises. Yep, keeping that leg straight. Don't go up. You're just right here. Just like that. So now you're working your core and some other muscles too.
Okay.
Okay? So for your calves, we're going to do some standing. You can do one leg calf raise. And if that's hard, you can put this foot, the back foot down like that and then do it.
Okay.
So like now, like in this position, we're working our gastroc. So if you want to isolate the other muscle that we have that helps go up on our toes, you can get in a seated position like this, and you can apply the pressure yourself, or you can put a weight on your leg. Or at the gym, some gyms have a specific machine for that. So now you're working what's called the soleus muscle, isolating that. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so with these, do you understand the exercises that I showed you? With these exercises, you want to do 3 sets of 10, and you want to do it 3 times a week.
Okay.
If you want to break it up, do upper body one day and lower body another day, then you can do more. It's like 4 times a week.
Okay.
So that way you're allowing your upper body to rest while you're working your lower body, and then while you're working your upper body, you're allowing your lower body to rest.
Okay.
Okay? You want to have 30 seconds or a minute in between, depending on what you're trying to do. If you're trying to go endurance, less time in between sets. If you're working more strength, like a minute in between.
Okay.
All right. You want to increase, if you're getting 3 sets of 10 easily, you want to increase your weight 5 pounds or 10 pounds within that range the next time you come. You want it to where on that 3rd set, those last 2 reps are challenged. Like that last rep, it really is really hard to get it.
Okay.
That's when you know you're at a good weight range.
Okay.
To know when you go up is when you get to that last one and you're able to do it. And that's when you know you need to go up.
Okay.
Okay? It is normal to feel sore after working out. And by sore, your muscle's going to feel tight. It's going to just feel, and you can't move. Like, every time you sit down or every time you move, you're going to feel that muscle. It is a type of pain, but it's not anything to worry about. It's what's called delayed onset muscle soreness.
Okay.
It's just the muscle that being broke down and now it's trying to heal to get stronger.
Okay.
Stretching helps kind of keep that at a minimum. So always stretch after your workouts.
Okay.
Okay? About 15 minutes after.
Okay.
Okay? Any questions?
No, sounds good.
All right. Good. Pleasure working with you.
All right.